So recently I watched a foreign makeup artist
on
video.
how she cleans her makeup
She
tools.
had this super detailed routine. So I decided to try her routine, but I added my own little twist, which honestly didn't give the best result. But I decided to try this routine because it was a professional idea. So first off, I didn't have baby shampoo, so I used two types of my hair shampoos instead. Because the professional makeup artist suggested that we use a baby shampoo in cleaning those brushes and beauty sponges, but I didn't have that. So I used one moisturizing shampoo and one clarifying shampoo that I have. I also used lukewarm water because I think it would work better. I used a clean transparent bucket because I like seeing the water turn murky. It's so satisfying. Doing this cleaning step really made me think, how many of us actually take brush hygiene seriously? Especially if you're a working makeup artist, these tools touch people's skin, and if they are not clean, we could be transferring oil, dirt, bacteria, infection, which is not good at all. So let's talk about it. How often do you clean your brushes? How often do you clean your beauty sponge? And if you're a makeup artist, do you clean your tools before every client? How do you sanitize your tools before you use on another client? Would you personally be okay with makeup artists using brushes on you that weren't freshly washed? And this is like for people that pay makeup artists to do their skin work for them. Would you not mind, or would you mind if the makeup artist uses like a brush that they use for someone else on your skin? What do you think? Be honest. I really want to know what your thoughts are. I washed the brushes using the shampoo I earlier displayed. I just poured the shampoo in just that little white container, transparent as well, so you can see the quantity I'm using. And I gently rub the bristle of the brushes on my palm, just like you see in the video. And I do this as much as it is required until I see like a very notable change. I try to be very careful not to pull on the bristle so hard. I started cleaning the beauty sponges. That one needed extra attention. I had to go over it a few times to really get those talc products out. So overall, I'll be very honest. My overall take on this method of cleaning would be that this wasn't the most economically friendly method I would recommend. But for what it was, if baby shampoo would deliver a cleaner bristle with little products in use, then fine. It could make up for the cost. A good consolation would also be that it would leave your brushes smelling great. We all know how baby products scent really, really, really nice. And I know that if I had actually used the baby shampoo, I would have gotten a nicer experience. But like I showed you guys, I used my hair shampoo, which didn't really give me the best result. So I would definitely want to try it out using a baby shampoo. But usually I would rather use a clear bar soap or a good black soap because I feel it offers similar experience except for the nice smell that comes with the baby shampoo. And that's all. Secondly, I would really love to get the 99% isopropyl alcohol
As recommended by the professional makeup artist.
because I think it would reduce the number of times I get to wash my brushes. So, thereby increasing the shelf life of my brushes. Remember, clean tools mean clean skin, better makeup application, and honestly, more respect for the art and for the people you're working on. So at this point, I knew that I made the wrong choice with the shampoo I used, and I didn't get the best result, honestly, from the cleaning process. Like my brushes were not even looking as if I had, cleaned them or washed them thoroughly, and I was not impressed at all. So if this video helped you or gave you something to think about, please let me know in the comments. Do you want me to try other cleaning methods and compare them? What are your go-to tools and hygiene habits? I would love to know. How do you sanitize your makeup items? How do you sanitize your makeup tools? I'm not only talking for makeup artists that does it professionally. I'm also asking for individuals that do their makeup personally daily. How do you sanitize your makeup tools? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you are into beauty content that keeps it real. As for the brush handles, I didn't have the 99% alcohol like makeup artist recommended, so I used my hand sanitizer instead. And honestly, I have no idea of the percentage of alcohol that was used in producing that hand sanitizer, but then that's like the closest or the highest form of alcohol I have in the house. So I guess it's better than nothing, right? Yeah. So I wiped the handles down using tissue paper, which worked fine, although a paper towel was recommended, and I feel that it would have held up even better. And the oversabi in me used the used the tissue and the sanitizer to also clean the bristles of my brush, which was not what I learned from that video I watched anyways. Okay, now here's a tip I really learned from her routine. I dried the brushes over a clean white towel, but like I positioned them in a slanted way, the bristles facing downward. And according to her, that way water doesn't run into the metal part of the brush, which can loosen the glue and cause shedding. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, clean tools, clean face equals
Clean energy.
I love you so much, and I love to see you in my other videos. Until then, stay beautiful and blessed. Bye, guys.